I reflect upon the appointments to the Supreme Court that the President made in this past term. Two magnificent appointments to the Supreme Court, and that would be Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Alito. And we got a Supreme Court decision that upheld our ban on partial birth abortion. Finally, a measure of progress that came from this Congress that was not denied by the court. And when I looked across the sea of faces that filled the mall as far as the eye could see today, by the tens of thousands and perhaps hundreds of thousands, I reflected that they all came here to this city today because the court injected themselves into a policy decision, not a constitutional decision. Roe versus Wade and Doe versus Bolton both need to be ripped out and both need to be overturned. And the two magnificent appointments to the Supreme Court that understand this Constitution to mean what it says and mean what it was understood to mean when it was ratified by our founders, those appointments are wonderful appointments that move us down the line. This Constitution will protect life, it will protect marriage, but we must have a Supreme Court that protects the Constitution, that does not amend it with their liberalism and their activism. Mr. Speaker, the next two appointments to the Supreme Court will be more important than the last two. The next two appointments in the Supreme Court will determine whether we preserve and protect life and whether we preserve and protect marriage. And those two are transformational issues before this Congress.